Imagine you're ready to sell a new product on your site. Working with material provided by a wholesaler or just your own pictures and info, you might not have much to go on. You also might not have writing, photography, or design experience. And maybe you can't afford to pay for it, but you still need assets to market it. If you have a paid OpenAI subscription, ChatGPT can produce marketing assets based on the information you have. The free version only produces text, but for images and other media, you need a paid account. Go to chatgpt.com and click sign up. Tell it your email address. Choose a strong password and click enter. Copy the verification code ChatGPT has sent to your email. Answer a couple of easy questions about yourself. And you're all signed in. Then, go to your login icon at the top right. Select Upgrade Plan, select the plan you want, and enter all your payment details. A paid subscription will give you access to image creation, file upload and analysis, and everything else you need to create marketing material about your product. Start the process by simply telling ChatGPT what you want it to create. And upload the materials you have. The AI will read and scan the files you've uploaded and can then create any kind of marketing asset you need. Let's start with a blog post, and you can be as specific as you like with word or paragraph counts, the tone of voice you use on your product blog, or anything else. Anything it hasn't quite captured, just ask it to make the adjustment. When you're happy, click the copy icon in the ChatGPT window and paste it into your blog. Next, ask the AI to create social media content for each major platform, and it takes into account the strengths, limitations, and the best language to use both for your branding and the likely audience on each platform. Just like your blog post, simply copy the text and paste it into your social media. As long as you give it clear prompts, AI can also create any other custom forms and materials you need to suit the way you do business. It can even repurpose what it's already created into other formats for other marketing channels. Here, we'll ask it to reproduce the fact sheet as an HTML file for your website. With your paid ChatGPT subscription, you can come back to the same chat anytime in the future to create more marketing assets as you need them. It makes marketing a snap.